Alright guys, well, this is my 1986 Toyota Corolla SR5. Let me get a light. So we're going to get some light in the garage soon, but for now, it's kooky model. It's got a 12A out of a first gen RX-7, 48 IDA Webers. Got a mild port on it. Upgraded radiator. It's been wrecked. Yeah, wrecked, I guess. Needs a fender. I got one at home, just has to put it on. Got some nice inky wheels on it. Here's a light, sweet. Interior's pretty clean. Still has SR5 interior, all stock interior. Has a big boy tack. We got water temp, volts, and oil pressure. Yeah, it's got someone put an aftermarket sunroof on it. Don't know why, but leaks. I need to fix that. Of course, it's got a cracked dash. Not many 86 dash aren't cracked. It's got some baby supers in the rear. I have a full set of, if you guys know, most old school Puerto Rican guys like baby supers. They're skinnies in the front and a little wide in the rear. The body's pretty much stock. SR5. It's got this huge freaking fart can which needs to be changed. I need to redo the exhaust on it. Yeah, it's pretty much would started, but we're gonna change the plugs and I need to rebuild the Weber. So, got a pretty nice header on it, custom header. But yeah, this is the HACHI-TARY, as we like to call it. Needs a replacing the drive shaft right now. Well, the carry bearing in the drive shaft. And yeah, this is gonna be one of the drift cars on the channel. It's got GTS rear in it, so it's LSD and disc brakes. What else? Right now it has blown suspension. It's fucking, look at this rust. Look at that. Shocks are old. It's got fucking cut springs in it. Very 90s. But yeah, it's got a little damage here and there. I mean, 20-some-year-old car, and it has been driven hard. This actually was my first car. It was an automatic SR5, so 1.6 liter single cam carbureted. My dad sold it years ago and went to a friend. Then that guy sold it to another friend. He put a rotary in it, and then someone else bought the car, took the motor out of it, had the shell for sale. My uncle sold the shell. My uncle bought the shell, and then he bought a first gen RX-7 with that was wrecked, that had an engine in it, and he swapped out the engine. So yeah, and I bought it off him maybe a month ago, and it's been here at the Rotoleros garage, and we're slowly but surely gonna be working on it. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Well, we got a little secret missile back here. Little turbo 2. We really need to put the turbo 2 up in here. That's what we really need to do. Alright guys, well, catch you guys later. Alright, what's up guys? This we got another little project going on. We're working on Toyota, aka HACHI-TARY. Changing this drive shaft, in my opinion, personally, I don't like it.
But we're gonna do it anyways, and we're gonna make it happen. What's the drift car, man? Hey, drift car, that's cool.
One piece drive shaft or something.
We need to break them to upgrade them. Rules are rules. We call that one tan tan bam.
Is that the only part you need?
Well, I need to take it off.
Where'd you get it from? Your house? Yeah, maybe look. Torch.
The yellow one. Straight ahead. To your right. Straight ahead. Yellow.
Oh.
Get this one loose. Get them all loose and then take them off.
No, that shit getting hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's working?
You fucking transfer. Jeez, we look like amateurs here. Papo's just standing there. What's up, my folks? Man,
I'm holding the cart, make sure I don't roll away.
You don't need 3 people on one side.
Thought you were cold, bro.
Papo's cold.
Papo had frosted flakes, fucking bigote.
It's so cold, his mustache turning white.
She was getting frosty. Is that what they talking about? Let me look at that real quick.
So what you need this drive shaft for, Ricky?
Well, so the car broke the center support bearing. The center support bearing isn't supposed to come apart like that. See how it's all cracking right there? And it's not straight. See that?
Yeah.
Looks like a fucking blade.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be straight, and this one's a good one. Came off a car, another Corolla, but a long time ago. But it's just been sitting. Figured out just throw this on, just so I could get
Rolling.
get the car moving and driving.
We just came back from a drift event, so guess what? Everybody's all drifty.
I need to get this car running.
I'm still shaking.
AJ went on his first ride along today.
What if we get 1,000 likes? We take the 45,000 mile FC. I gotta see more than 2,500 likes though.
2,500 likes?
My wife would kill me. This her beater.
Her beater.
That's not a drift car.
We call this the grocery beater.
It's an automatic.
Yeah, AJ went on his first ride along today. In a Miata, out of all things, but pretty sick Miata.
Hey, if I had a Miata, it'd be like that.
Wasn't he the one getting it too? He was getting it in his little Miata. Yeah. I said, how long you been drifting? He's like, a couple years. I was like, really? Like, yup. So, Alex, if you're watching this, appreciate the ride along, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, you were killing it, bro. That Miata was impressive. Hey, thanks. What's his name, Alex?
Alex, yeah.
Alex, man, I got a different perspective on Miatas.
Yeah.
But you gotta understand, look what I gotta deal with. Alright, not too much.
Not too much. All right.
Easy.
Easy. All right, my bad.
They can only handle a few seconds at a time.
Few seconds at a time.
So we kind of went for our impact.
fashioned way.
Nice breaker bar.
Like that. We call that inch and a quarter sprinkler line.
Some people might look at this and be like, why don't you use the drill? The drill won't take this off.
Besides that, we in business. I use manual tools, and I ain't talking about my cousin. Manuel either. If you can see, that's AJ's Nikki, stripped down Nikki.
Yeah.
Thanks to Gallagher from Oregon, he did a hell of a job. Hell of a job. Thing kicks ass.
Projects episode 2 coming out very soon, later this week.
AJ, when they see this is episode 2.
Yeah.
So why are you telling them?
Yep.
Really?
Episode 3 is going to come out by the time.
Yeah,
they see
yeah.
this.
Yep.
You get it?
Get him.
Yeah, I think I do.
Sadly, but this one's dry. But it's better than the one and 2.
Hey, for what it's gonna last anyways, chances are everything else is gonna rip apart before that. So.
Jeez. PB Blaster!
PB Blaster.
Go get your PB blast. It's
Oh, for you guys wondering why I don't just bolt this on, this is the yoke to A86, and this one's to a
rotary.
first gen RX-7,
12A.
the 12A. That's why I have my Corolla.
Which we will see soon.
Yeah. So
That's why we call it HACHI-TARY. Want me to hold it?
I'm gonna just use it.
Make a brace, strap around your back area. Carry this light.
I'm gonna just let PB Blaster do his job. R.I.P Papo!
Yes, sir. This sounds nice. I like the white. I really do like white.
It's a bitch to clean though, so you never know.
Yeah.
He